Well, okay. This looks weird. Though I have some really smart friends telling me that we're probably going to go up to like, 50K or something and then come back down. But I don't know. I have no idea, right? It looks like a bit of a relief rally to me, right? This looks like a little bit of a relief rally. Um, but like, and the reason it looks like a relief rally to me is the Nasdaq pumping up. What does this mean for all the stocks, man? In the Nasdaq, it's not a great thing. If interest rates are going up, taking out loans becomes much more expensive. It also, though, the benefit is that inflation is beginning to be taken care of, which means that I mean, a lot of the things that these companies need to keep growing, like i.e. a Tesla, commodities will potentially decrease, but that the inflation is not um, the primary cause of the uh, price increases or the inflation of commodity prices. It's the fact that there's a war going on right now. So this is pretty interesting stuff. I don't really know what to make of it. I'm kind of sitting back and watching. I'm not like really making any serious or big move here. I'm just gonna see what happens next. I, I do feel like this is a fake out now. I could be wrong, and we do pump right past all of this into a whole new world order. But if we pull up the are these the log zones? Where's the bull market? Oh, this is the bull market support. So, I mean, we have what do we have? We have a little bit of space to go. So we have what is this? So if we're assuming there, so we're about $2,000 away from the bull market support band. It's entirely possible. And we're even closer. We're about $1,300 away from the 50-week moving average. Um, I don't have a lot of faith in this. I don't have a lot of faith in this pump. It definitely reminds me of times gone, like around like where is it? There's a great example, like right here, right? We chop, we chop, we chop, we chop, right? We just don't do anything. Like right here, this is all chop. Like we chop here and we chop here. We chop all the way down. This took months from June to November. Wow, that's like what is this? June, July, August, September, October, November. That's 6 months of chop. That's unbelievable. Can you believe that? All of these ups and downs, like huge ups and downs, huge ups and downs, down, and it just kept getting smaller and smaller. In fact, I mean, it was really big. I mean, you could really say it went like it's actually huge. It's like a really, really big. You would call this a fractal, I believe, right? You went all the way from here to here. It's like wow, holy, what a time that must have been. And then you crash down below that point, and then you finally hit the 200. And I feel like we might be emulating something like that, but I'm not sure. Um, I'm not sure. I'm trying to listen to the smartest people that I know so that I can kind of, because we're obviously different, right? Like we don't come up from this bottom area. Like we're not here. We're in a different area. We've double topped, and now we're you know doing this thing. I have no idea, but I guess we'll find out. So they raised the interest rate by 0.25%. That's really meaningless, right? But they do say that they're willing to raise it by another like six more times. So that's pretty intense. That's a lot. But yeah, okay. Well, anyways, we'll have to wait and see. I will catch up with you guys tomorrow.